Hey guys, it's Julia, aka The Mug Life. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. I'm really glad to have you. I have another 90% off spring, summer Hobby Lobby haul. Yes, I went back. I actually got a gift card for my birthday, and so I went to two different Hobby Lobbies in Houston and found a whole bunch of really awesome stuff. I was so excited. So a lot of these I'm going to be decorating with or redoing, so stay tuned. I actually just started, if you watched my previous Hobby Lobby haul, just started a palette sign for fall that I will be posting this week, so I'm super excited about that one. The first two items that I absolutely couldn't believe I found were these like little candle metal holders. They're kind of like in the shape of jugs, and they were $140 and $199. So they are actual metal. It's not like wood or anything, so they were really cute. I won't even have to redo these. I can just use them. So I'm super excited about those. So that's the first thing. And I love letters, especially our last name. So I got this one for 39 cents. So this one will be really cute. Probably on a shelf, or what are they called? A tiered tray that I want to try to make. So that's gonna be perfect. It's super small, it's super cute, 39 cents. I couldn't pass it up. And I got another one to kind of go with that. It says Our Nest. So I got two of those, 39 cents, guys. Of course I bought it. And this next one, I just thought it was so cute. It's like a little denim bow, and it's actually magnetic. So if I wanted to, let me unhook this. I bought this metal bin, galvanized metal bin, for $1.99. If I want to add it to this, I have now decorated this bin. It was 79 cents. It actually says it's for lampshades. I'm not going to be decorating a lampshade. I'll probably use it on this metal tin. So got some more little embellishments. They were $124. They were in the paper craft area. When I looked up and down the aisles, they had markdowns. They had glassware marked down, and in the crafting section they had these marked down. And I love the little bows that, what is it called, twine, and it's got little buttons. Using these for decoration pieces. These I absolutely loved. They were 69 cents each. This one is broken, so this is how it originally looked, and this one was broken, but I don't care. I'm going to probably glue them onto a sign or make something. I don't know. I just loved it. I found these little houses. It says beach house, but all I have to do, turn them around and paint them, and I can have my own little farmhouse, probably boho, more like my style. And then for summer, I can just turn them back around and I can use them for little decoration DIY pieces. And this one was just so cute. It's a little galvanized tin tray, and then this one was 59 cents too. I am probably going to be painting this inside, and maybe wrapping this, not quite sure, but it was 59 cents. Right on into, I got another wooden palette sign. I mean, this one was $19.99 and I paid $1.99 for it. So real wood. I mean, how cute. I'm going to decorate in my kitchen. I have a window right in front of my sink, so I thought these would be just so cute. I can either get some potted plants for them or utensils. I just thought they were so adorable. They were 79 cents each, so I got oregano, parsley, and basil, and cream with that khaki tan piping around the top. So I'm going to be sanding this down and DIYing it. I mean, you can't, it's quality wood. Of course, yes, I broke it. Good job, Julia. This one was $29.99, so $2.99, guys, for this huge wooden sign. Great deal. Decorated. I just bought it because I loved it. This one was $1.99, and it's the wood, and it's kind of like a faux chalk board. I'm not quite sure if I could actually write on it, but it has the rosemary plant with, it says rosemary. I had to get it for my kitchen. So that is that one that I got. And guys, I was so excited. So best for last. I saved the best for last. Are you guys ready for this? Yeah, this sign is huge. This one was $69.99. So I paid $6.99. So that's like just so perfect, encouraging. This is probably gonna go in our bedroom. I just think it's something really positive that we could wake up to and just see and just kind of put a smile on our face. And it was huge. I had to get it. So that's it for my last final Hobby Lobby 90% haul, probably until the fall stuff goes on sale. I hope you guys really enjoyed this super fun haul video that I get to show you guys my stuff. It's almost like a show and tell, kind of like reminiscent of our childhood days. So that one was really fun. I'm really glad you guys watched it, enjoyed it, and I will be posting 2 more videos this week. Yes, I said it, 2 more videos. I'm doing another collab video that I'll be posting on Thursday. It is a fall floral collab, so I'm really excited. I'm editing that one right now, and then another one which is really a year-round project that I did, and it's actually in my laundry room. So that one will be posted on Saturday. So I'm really excited for this week. So I hope you guys have an awesome, blessed day. Thanks for watching.